everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the 50-30-20 rule, which is a simple budgeting method that can help you get your finances under control. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that divides your monthly income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs include essential expenses like housing, food, transportation, and healthcare. Wants include discretionary expenses like entertainment, dining out, and shopping. Savings includes money set aside for short-term goals, like a vacation, and long-term goals, like retirement. How to use the 50-30-20 rule? To use the 50-30-20 rule, simply divide your monthly income by 3. The first 50% should go towards your needs, the next 30% should go towards your wants, and the remaining 20% should go towards your savings. Of course, these are just general guidelines. You may need to adjust your spending in each category depending on your individual circumstances. For example, if you have a high-interest credit card balance, you may want to allocate more money towards debt repayment. Or, if you're saving for a down payment on a house, you may want to allocate more money towards your savings. The benefits of the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a great way to get your finances under control because it's simple to understand and follow. It can also help you reach your financial goals faster because you're setting aside money for savings each month. Conclusion. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point for budgeting. If you're new to budgeting, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a simple and effective way to get your finances under control and reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips.